Hi, Artie. How are you? Can I rub your little belly? Okay, there you go. Oh, that must hurt. Big breath in and blow it out. Artie, come on, take a big breath in. There it goes. Do you feel that pop, Artie? That's what you needed.
We just get freaking Artie back in because escaped again. That boy.
He's not behaving.
2 days ago. On the road, it was like.
He was running down the
Like,
road?
hi. Where are you going?
He just breaks, he's a rule breaker. You know the type. He always breaks rules.
He knows not to open the gate.
He knows not to do this, but he does it over and over again. He's like a teenager, right?